Hello everyone, we are going to talk about ads privacy settlement email, whether this is a legit or scam. So the settlement email you received is likely legitimate, stemming from a real class action lawsuit against Oracle American Incorporation. This lawsuit, Katz Lackaby et al. V. Oracle America, alleges that Oracle improperly collected and sold personal data without user consent. The settlement amount is around $115 million, and affect individual may be eligible for compensation if the data was collected between August 19, 2018 until the present. Now, the key pointer here is the legitimacy of the lawsuit, right? And you can see there's another article written on this. The Katz Lacab case has been widely reported and as recognized in legal circles, confirming that the lawsuit itself is a real. And that's pretty, genuine. And legitimate emails related to this settlement typically include a notice ID and confirmation code guiding recipient to the office official claim submission site, which you can go there. If your email contains these identifiers and directs you for this website, it's likely a valid. Be cautious of the email requesting excessive your personal details, information such as the SSN number or banking details. Legitimate claim generally only requires basic information like your name and your address. To ensure safety, avoid checking on or clicking on the link directly from the email. Instead, type the URL in your browser manually. This helps prevent phishing attempts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.